my name is Miss Megan and I'm an educator with GrowingGreat, and today we're going to be talking about the activity Seed Sleuths. This activity is great for you and your child to discover different types of seeds we find in fruits and vegetables. So let's see what you need to get started. So for this activity, you'll need a cutting board and a knife for the adult to use. Then you're going to need a few fruits and vegetables. I chose a mango, which has one seed, a lemon and snap pea, which both have a couple seeds each, and then strawberry and tomato, which each have a bunch of seeds. But the best part about this activity is you don't have to use these same fruits or vegetables. You can use any fruit or vegetable you have around your house. Now let's get started. Before you start cutting the fruit, have you and your child observe things about the whole fruit. For example, I might notice that the mango is really smooth, whereas the strawberry has bumps on it. You can also take this time to have your child predict how many seeds will be inside some of the fruits or vegetables. Now it's time to cut the fruits open. As you do so, have your child observe how each fruit smells, looks, and feels. So I finished cutting the mango, and here you can see we have the fruit and also the seed. It just has one really large and really hard seed. So some other examples of fruits and vegetables that just have one seed are avocados, apricots, and peaches. Now let's move on to our next fruit. So next we'll have our lemon and snap pea. Now each of these should have more than one seed. Let's go ahead and cut into our lemon. And with fruits that have multiple seeds, like apples, lemons, oranges, I like to cut them in half, but you can also cut them into additional pieces. So you can see there's some seeds there. And with these fruits, you can actually have your child count the number of seeds. So if we take the seeds out of this half, gently squeezing them out. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in this half of the lemon. And now let's see our snap pea. And with this, you can see the seeds or peas are right in the middle there. If you have peas, you can have your child actually take apart the shell and open it up to see those peas there. So we have 2 there. And then if we open up this side, we have 1 more there. And then the last little piece we had has 2 more. So we have 2 plus 2 is 4, 5 total little peas. Let's move on to our next fruit. So next we have a tomato and a strawberry. Now both of these fruits have a lot of seeds, so it may be hard to count, but if your child feels up to it, they can give it a try. So let's start with the tomato. I'm gonna cut it into 3 pieces. And we can see here that there are a lot of little seeds in that tomato. So with fruits and vegetables that have a large number of seeds, like tomatoes, pumpkins, zucchini, it may be hard to count the individual seeds, but you can definitely observe where they are. Now, strawberries also have a lot of seeds, but there's something a little bit different about theirs, and that is that they're actually on the outside of the fruit. So you can still cut the strawberry just to show that there aren't any seeds on the inside. And so your child can observe how the inside is different from the outside. So there's the inside of our strawberry, and on the outside we can see the tiny seeds. A couple other berries also have seeds on the outside, like blackberries. So first we looked at the mango, which had one seed on the inside, and it was very large and hard. Then we looked at the lemon, which had a few seeds on the inside. Then we looked at the snap peas, which had 5 seeds on the inside. Then we looked at the tomato, which had lots of seeds on the inside. And finally, we looked at the strawberry, which also had lots of seeds. But unlike all the other fruits and vegetables, they're on the outside, not the inside. So it's kind of special. So now we've observed how each fruit smells, looks, and feels. I noticed that the lemon was really juicy, that the peas were really green, and that the tomato seeds were slippery when I tried to pick them up. But now it's time to taste. You and your child can now enjoy the fruits of your labors. So sweet. And don't forget, if you and your child do the Seed Sleuths activity at home, send GrowingGreat a picture to this email right here, and we'll send you one of our favorite books. I hope you had fun today, and see you next time.